about to make this thing huge. Here's the old U-bolt. There's the new ones. Wow. The Unicorn got some new headlights. Look at that. That looks way better. Sick. Got the old shocks out, got the axle drop. How's it going so far, Galen?
Oh man, you get demonetized if I told you my real feelings.
A little bit slippery, huh? I guess we're doing tug of wars now. Oh, that bitch is stuck. Yank her like you mean it. Oh no! That was close. Almost just sent Mason's truck through the freaking wall. It's cold. Right there. Hey look, Kaylee's here. Ah, broke the strap. Piper! Hello! Now I got a big strap. Dropping Kaylee's truck off at Infinite Customs. They got this Joker Jeep. It's kind of cool. Harley Quinn. I think it's on 40s. Sick. Jeep on 26s. Another Jeep. Another Jeep. Kaylee, a work truck. Another Jeep. They got a lot of Jeeps here. What's up?
I'm going to grab this metal.
Okay, bye. What are those?
What are those?
Here we go. We got the tires for the big truck. Now these are some 44 by 16 and a half R28s.
And then these are the 35s for the Dodge.
And then these are the new tires for the Camry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here are the Camry tires. Here are the new tires for the big truck. Let's roll one over there. These things are massive. Oh yeah, those are gonna be sick. Now as you can see, they're for a 28-inch wheel, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. So we're keeping it a dually, but we're running 28s and 44s.
Sound good?
It's gonna be nasty. Fuel Off-Road sent me these tires, so big shout out to them. I can't wait to put them on the truck and see how they ride and if they smoke a lot when I do a burnout. These are not gonna last long, not gonna lie. That's right. That's pretty big, not gonna lie. Now we just gotta do the front. What are you doing with my 2G?
Cutting it in half.
I just told you.
That thing's pretty sick. He's too lazy to go over there and get the welder, so he decided to take welding. Logan got some new wheels and some new tires
What's funny is I do that every single time.
for the unicorn. Logan, what did you do?
Put some bloggers on, baby.
Oh yeah, this looks sick. God, I hate winter. This thing is big now. It's huge, actually. Ginormous. Way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Come on, let's take a look. I put on these 24x14s and 37s when it was on stock height, anticipating a lift kit. Now, it kind of hurt a lot of people's feelings because stock trucks are not supposed to have 37s, but it was worth the wait. Because now we have a 10-inch lift from Renati Ironworks out in Idaho, I think he's from. He sent me out a whole lift kit. It's got long arms in the front, track bars in the rear. Now it was almost perfect, but me and Logan had to tweak a few things, like the long arms were a little bit too long, so we cut them, made them fit perfect. It's got dual steering stabilizers in the front, all brand new steering. It's got these nice shocks. So it actually steers and rides really nice. It's got an 8-inch BDS coil on top of a 2-inch leveling kit, so it's 10 inches in the front, and then come to the back. Nice traction bar so my rear end doesn't fall out when I'm doing 120 mile an hour burnouts. It's got, can't really see them, but back there there's 8-inch blocks. It's got Bilstein shocks all around. I think that's it. It's really nice. I was kind of scared because the last time I put a lift kit on like this, I had to sell the whole truck, aka the dually that I had before I have my big truck, my 2005 6.0. Whenever I put that lift kit on, that was the first truck I ever lifted, and it rode like garbage. So bad. Kaylee can tell you, you could not even like eat or drink food because it would just shake all over the place. So I was really afraid to lift this, but they actually turned out really nice. You can still drive it on the highway at 80 miles an hour fine. Bumps are a little rough, but I think that's because the shocks and everything are brand new, so they have to soften out a little bit. Not bad. if I had to rate it, I'd rate it an 8.5 out of 10. The only thing, I think we have to tweak the steering a tiny bit. It might not be aligned perfectly. I'm actually kind of impressed. Shout out to Kevin at Renetti Ironworks for sending me out this lift. I hope you guys like how it looks. I love how it looks. I think it fits the 37s perfectly. It's like almost skating.
I think you need bigger tires.
No, it's borderline skating.
Yeah.
But it would look pretty good with some 40s.
Mm-hmm. I agree.
Who could that be? Oh, it's just the 3rd gen that made me get a 3rd gen. Just a little bit bigger. Tiny bit. Okay, it's pretty big. Hey! It's just snow. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I sure had fun making it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.